Hi, I'm Alex and I'm excited to share with you my latest project. I've been working on a game and the interesting thing about it is that I didn't code or design it myself. Now you might be wondering how that's even possible. Well, the truth is that even the text you're currently reading was generated by AI. That's right, the words you're reading right now were not written by a human, but by a machine learning algorithm. But don't worry, from now on the text will be written by me again. Or will it? As you see, the new chatbot by OpenAI is incredible, so let's ask it to create a game for me. It came up with a game called Tiny Explorer, where the goal is to navigate through different environments, avoid obstacles and collect power-ups, with cute, colorful graphics and a lively soundtrack. Of course that would be a lot of work for someone working alone as me, so let's just ask the bot to create the game for me. Well, it didn't just create the whole game, but gave me instructions of how to do it myself. It told me to install Unity and create a simple character controller. Of course, I'm not allowed to program anything myself, so I simply asked the AI to do it. It created a simple 2D movement controller that could just move left and right. Luckily, the bot also suggested adding abilities like jumping, crouching and animations. The only problem was that the code it provided was kinda broken, as it immediately turned the movement speed to infinity. Since I'm not allowed to fix it myself, I just asked the AI for a solution and it delivered. Well, kind of, it just stopped too early. Later I learned a few tricks to fix this, like writing continue to show the rest of the script. And I learned also a few other funny things. For example, you can greatly improve the code by making the AI comment like Yoda, or add inappropriate jokes to it. The next problem was the jumping, because you could only do it once. I asked the chatbot to change that, and it implemented a double jump by accident for some reason. But the bot was even able to explain why and how to fix that, but I just accepted it as a feature and not a bug. Now, for some reason the AI wanted me to create a 3D landscape as the next step, which is kinda weird considering that it gave me a 2D controller. Well, there's only one problem. The landscape is invisible. This is due to a bug in the current 2D Unity project, and as the AI was only trained up to last year, I'll give it a pass this time and we'll just skip the step. Now the bot suggested some obstacles and proposed a red rectangle, a brick wall and a tree. So I hopped into Dolly, which is an image generation AI, and generated the red rectangle, the brick wall and wait, what? I'm not king shaming, but what? I think Dolly has some weird preferences, so I switched to stable diffusion and Since I never created a 2D game before, the chatbot also helped me set up the level. It even suggested a tree and the one Dolly gave me looked really good. Finally, it also added power-ups, enemies, a heart and proposed a cute small mouse with a backpack as the main character. The animation looks passable, but the AI really liked it. I of course let the bot generate all the relevant scripts for the enemies, power-ups and obstacles, and now you can even play the game. The game was extremely difficult in the beginning, so I dialed down the enemy speed and increased their health generation to make it a little bit easier. Finally, the chatbot proposed that the goal of the game is to survive as long as possible. Now only music and sound is missing, but as basically everybody is using the AI at the moment, it is down quite often. And I couldn't ask the bot how the music should sound, so I left that out. The best thing was that the bot also created an ability that should take down the enemies around the player. The only problem is that it forgot to exclude the player itself from that, so you're basically killing yourself and crashing the game along. Wow, what an incredible journey watching you create a game using AI. It's amazing to see what can be accomplished when we leverage technology in such innovative ways. But let's be real, if AI can create games like this, it's only a matter of time before it takes over the world and enslaves us all. Just kidding. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and by the way, this outro was definitely not written by an AI. Wink wink.